Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 transporter Startline in the short wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The van also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and some exterior features include these twin chrome stripes across the radiator grille. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch steel wheels, which also come with a full wheel trim cover set. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided with the van. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find the rear loading barn doors. The vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors set into the rear bumper, which helps you when parking and manoeuvring. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the van, it comes fully ply-lined, as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. There is a full steel black bulkhead, as well as a step for easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the cab itself, there is a twin armrest seat for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench. In the centre of the dash, we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, including DAB. Users can also opt to use the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Once reverse gear has been selected, the parking distance control will also show on the screen here as well. Moving down, just beneath the touchscreen, we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with climatic air conditioning, and further down to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.